So let's take a look at what we're building here. And I hope I can get it all in the frame. But we're building a frame with a box. Basically 6 legs and a bottom. And the dimensions and everything are in the instructions. You'll see that it stands up on legs that are about 1 3/4 legs. And this right here, the dimensions between the top and the bottom, very important. Right? And you have a little stack right here. And this is made out of 4-inch width material. And you'll notice that there are little slots cut in to the sides of the top of the stack. And that's going to let air come out the side, make sure that there's a good airflow through the stack. So then, when we take our gumsha, and let me adjust this camera a little bit. There we go. When we take our gumsha and we have our gumsha printed, we'll be able to take that print and put it right over the top of that stack. Okay? And then it'll be cured, heat cured. Now, you'll notice that the heat gun, my heat gun right here is the same size as your heat gun there in Romperhut. And I stick it in here and right there, and it sits up nicely on its little stand here. And then it'll be able to be moved around inside the stack, so you would have nice even heat through the stack and up in right on the printed label of the gumsha. Right? And you're just going to go on there. We'll adjust the temperature, show you how to do that in a little while, and make sure that this each one of the prints are cured. It takes about 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes for each one of the labels to be cured, but this is going to do it nicely. Now, you'll notice that in the directions, as we move through constructing this, that there are 2 rods that run through the stack, and they are there to hold a deflector. And this is just a washer, and I'll get the dimensions on this washer. But it's about 1.25 inch washer with a hole in it. Doesn't have to be really, really thick. Only thing it's trying to do is deflect. And these 2 wires run through, and in the instructions it shows you how to construct this. So you can just set this deflector right there on those wires. And then that will allow the heat to be deflected around to get a nice even heat. We can just turn this on and see how that goes. And we'll be able to adjust the position of the heat gun in the stack, and it's not going to get very hot in here. It's going to be very safe. There's no place in here for people to get burned or for anything to happen. There's no chance of any fire happening here. Although it's nice and warm, it doesn't get up, it won't get to 400 degrees. Okay, that's the idea. So we'll be able to adjust the heat gun, the variable speed, and the variable heat with the gun to produce just exactly the right amount of heat to cure the gumshoe. Okay, I hope this is a good explanation of what this is. And it sits, it's portable, and it's not a problem.